how to change the language on Google Pixel phone. Just go to settings, click on settings, and then type in the search language and make sure to select language and region, and then click language and region, click system languages. So here I'm going to change the language from English to Spanish. So I'm gonna type in Espanol. Here I'm gonna click this. To change the system language, you have to drag this to the top. This will change your system language from English to Spanish. Click change. And here everything, all the settings have changed to Spanish. You can see everything. If you go to the settings, you'll see everything is in Spanish. If you want to delete your original system language, you just go here, delete. Sorry, let me just go back to English. Just gonna go back to English here. So if you want to delete a language, so just click here, remove, and then delete, and click remove here. That's pretty much it. That's it for the video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.